See, if you are a busy professional and you still go to the gym to do cardio for hours just to lose pot belly, then you are wasting your time.
Waiting this one, Papa, they talk.
Sounds crazy, right? But stay with me. Let me show you something. This research, published on PubMed in 2021, has proven that exercise alone cannot lead to fat loss. As a matter of fact, doing excessive cardio exercise can actually lead to you retaining your pot belly instead of losing it. And here's why. When you spend hours in the gym doing cardio exercises, you burn calories quite alright though. But on the flip side, 3 very interesting things happen. The first one is you become hungrier, and so you start to eat chop. Anything that passes you by, you want to taste it.
Before you know, I can't start to download them.
That's just because your body is fighting back. The second thing is that you become tired, and that is more than likely to make you less active for the rest of the day. Which means you will be burning less NEAT energy. By the way, NEAT stands for non-exercise activity thermogenesis, which simply means those activities that you are doing that are not intentional exercise, like walking, washing your clothes, doing the dishes. And the interesting thing is that NEAT activities actually account for 15 to 50% of your total daily energy expenditure. While that long hour of cardio that you did in the gym only accounts for about 5% of your total daily energy expenditure. Think about it. I am the one, the third thing that happens, and this is the one that affects busy professionals the most, is this. If you are one of those people that work 9 to 5 and still go to the gym every single day, please mark present in the comments.
Mom, here, present.
We need to actually appreciate you because you are doing a whole lot. But the funny thing is that thing that you are doing might be the reason why your pot belly is not going away.
Are you serious?
Those long hours of cardio that you are doing has been linked to increase in stress level. Yes. And when your body is stressed, it holds on to fat, especially in the midsection region. That is why you go to the gym Sunday to Sunday, do hours of cardio, but that pot belly has not left you. Now, let me tell you something very interesting. In 2023, when I lost 12 kg and got rid of my pot belly for good, I was working a full-time job. I didn't have 2 hours to spend in the gym. I wasn't doing hours of endless cardio. I wasn't just eating healthy randomly. But this is what I did instead, and you can do the same today and start seeing results. Number 1, I calculated my total daily energy expenditure, TDEE, and then I started making sure that I was eating in a 500 calorie deficit, not just eating randomly. Secondly, I started doing strength training 3 to 5 times every week. The third thing I did was that I increased my NEAT activities by taking a 1-minute walk break for every 2 hours I was sitting down. Then when I got home, I tried to complete my total steps to 10K every day. I was also doing cardio exercises that I considered to be fun, like swimming and skipping 2 to 3 times every week, just for their cardiorespiratory benefits. So if you work 9 to 5 and you want to get rid of your pot belly, instead of doing 2 hours of workout, do 30 minutes. Instead of eating healthy randomly, stay in a calorie deficit. Instead of going hard for one day and falling flat for the rest of the week, do simple routines that you can be consistent with. Focus on consistency instead of intensity. You don't need more time. You don't need to quit your 9 to 5 job. Neither do you need motivation. What you need is a system that is predictable. And a good place to start is by knowing what your TDEE is currently, which I can help you do. If you click on the link in the description of this video, you will be able to calculate your TDEE for free. Clap for Jesus! Clap for Jesus! And then I can also help you with a full plan on how to use your TDEE to lose your stubborn pot belly. Thanks for watching this video. If you really enjoyed it, then give me a like and subscribe to the channel if this is your first time coming across my content. And if you really enjoyed watching this video, I'm pretty sure you're going to love this other one where I talked about 5 food groups that make your pot belly pronounced. Watch that. And until I see you in the next one, I say cheers to the fit version of yourself.